Hey guys, it's Pete with East Coast HVAC. Today wanted to touch on the energy savings agreement and talk about why that's such a great plan to take advantage of for customers who are committed to maintaining their HVAC equipment. So how will you know if the ESA is right for you? Ask yourself these questions. Are you committed to maintaining your HVAC equipment? Are you interested in saving money on not only maintenance, but energy bills and any unexpected items that come up throughout the year? Would you rather have us remind you when it's time to schedule your maintenance visits? If you answered yes to these questions, you are a perfect fit for the ESA membership. Here's the details on what our ESA members get. 20% off our standard maintenance pricing, 10% off any unexpected system outages, priority scheduling, and 10% off any electrical services in the home. And remember, we'll reach out to you when it's time for maintenance so you can delete that reminder in your phone. So visit our website or call today to keep your system running smoothly, save some money, and check at least one thing off that to-do list. We'll talk to you soon.